Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 9:42 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. New techniques map twin faces of smallest genus nanoparticles. Science Daily, September 26, 2011. New drug delivery systems, solar cells, industrial catalysts, and video displays are among the potential applications of specialist particles that possess two chemically distinct sides. These particles are named after the two-faced Roman god Janus, and their twin chemical faces allow them to form novel structures and new materials. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 6:01 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Jumping gene enabled key step in corn domestication. Science Daily, September 25, 2011. Corn split off from its closest relative, Teosinte, a wild Mexican grass about 10,000 years ago, thanks to the breeding efforts of early Mexican farmers. Today it is hard to tell that the two plants were ever close kin. Corn plants stand tall on a single sturdy stalk and produce a handful of large kernel-filled ears. By contrast, Teosinte is branchy and bushy, with scores of thumb-sized ears, each containing only a dozen or so hard-shelled kernels. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 6:05 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Giant stars expelled multiple dust shells, astronomers find. Science Daily, September 27, 2011. An international team led by KU discovered not less than a dozen cold dust arcs around the giant star CW Leo. The team used the sensitive PAX instrument on board the Herschel Space Observatory to detect for the first time arcs of dust far away from the star. CW Leo has expelled these shells of dust in different approaches in its life. The faintest shell we can see now was, according to the team, expelled about 16,000 years ago. In the meantime, it has drilled away from the star over more than 7,000 billion kilometers. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 6:07 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Feathered friends help wild birds innovate. Science Daily, September 27, 2011. Larger groups of great and blue tits are better at solving problems than smaller ones, Oxford University scientists have found. The researchers believe that this is probably because the larger the group, the more chances there is of it including a bright or experienced bird that can solve a particular new problem. In this case, operating lever-pulling devices to receive a food reward. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 6:08 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. New FET-RAM is promising computer memory technology. Science Daily, September 27, 2011. Researchers are developing a new type of computer memory that could be faster than the existing commercial memory and use far less power than flash memory devices. The technology combines silicon nanowires with a ferroelectric polymer, a material that switches polarity when electric fields are applied, making possible a new type of ferroelectric transistor. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 6:13 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. People learn while they sleep, studies suggest. Science Daily, September 27, 2011. People may be learning while they are sleeping, an unconscious form of memory that is still not well understood, according to a study of Michigan State University researchers. The findings are highlighted in the Journal of Experimental Psychology General. We speculate that we may be investigating a separate form of memory, distinct from traditional memory systems. Psychology and lead research on the project. There is substantial evidence that during sleep your brain is processing information without your awareness, and this ability may contribute to memory in a waking state. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 6:17 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Venus weather not boring after all, scientists discovered. Science Daily, September 27, 2011. At first glance, a weather forecaster for Venus would have either a really easy or really boring job, depending on your point of view. The climate on Venus is widely known to be unpleasant. At the surface, the planet roasts at more than 800 degrees Fahrenheit under a suffocating blanket of sulfuric acid clouds and a crushing atmosphere more than 90 times the pressure of Earth's. Intrepid future explorers should abandon any hope for better days, however, because it won't change much. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 6:18 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Any variability in weather on Venus is not worthy because the planet has so many features to keep atmospheric conditions the same. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 6:19 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Although Venus is often referred to as Earth's twin, since they are almost the same size, it ended up with a climate very different from Earth. A deeper understanding of Venus' atmosphere will let researchers compare it to the evolution of Earth's atmosphere, giving insight as to why Earth now teems with life while Venus suffered a hellish fate. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, September 28, 2011, 6:20 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Pigeon milk contains antioxidants and immune-enhancing proteins. Science Daily, September 28, 2011. Production of crop milk and secretion from the crops of parent birds is rare among birds and apart from the pigeons, is only found in flamingos and male emperor penguins, essential for the growth and development of the young pigeon squab. Pigeon milk is produced by both parents from fluid-filled cells lining the crop that are rich in fat and protein.